What's going on? Mike Hobbs here with another ScreenFlow 10 tutorial. And this is actually a feature on how to speed up your video inside of ScreenFlow. And by far, this is probably the best time saving tip when it comes to video editing. So let me show you my screen. There's a couple ways to speed up the clip. The first way is just if you just want to listen to it at a faster speed and not actually edit any of the clips. So I'm going to show you that method real quick right now. All you have to do is click the L key and then it'll speed it up, and I'll show you what that sounds like. And so the first thing you need to do is you need to click on your webcam file inside of ScreenFlow, and then that grabs your webcam. I like to shrink it down to where I want it originally. So every time you press the L key, it speeds it up even faster. And this is just the playback speed. Now this saves you a ton of time because again, if you have a really long video you need to get through, this cuts it down in half or even 3 times the speed. So you basically just put the cursor anywhere you want to go, you press play, and then you press the L key on your keyboard. Now, if you want to change this, you can actually open up your settings inside of ScreenFlow. It'll pop open a window like this. Then just go over here to shortcuts and scroll all the way to the bottom where it says play timeline forward, and then there's the L key. You can actually change this to whatever you want. So if you want to change it from L key to whatever key you want, so you could change it to S if you want. Just keep in mind that there's other defaults that it might conflict with if you change the speed here. So I just leave it L, and as long as you know what the L key does, then you know it. You can also play it kind of some fun things. You can play it backwards. You can pause it with K and play it backwards with J. But that's what it's called, play timeline forwards. And so you just press L and then it just speeds up. And every time you press it, it speeds it up more. So that's the first way to speeding up your clip. Now, if you actually want this clip to be permanently sped up, what you do is you just click on it, you right click and show clip inspector. And then right here, a little clip inspector pops up. Then you just right here where it says speed, you just turn to what you want it to be. So you can turn it down. So if you turn it down like this, then it's 200%. And as you can see, the clip is getting shorter because it's not as long anymore because now it's permanently changed. So if I start playing normal speed, ScreenFlow, and then that grabs your webcam. I like to shrink it down. So that's permanently editing the clip to be faster. And that you'd only really do that if you just want to, maybe you're showing off a time lapse type of thing, right? So that's the only time I would ever use the actual thing. I prefer just editing it at normal speed and then people can speed it up on their own later versus doing it in the editing. But just keep in mind, if you speed up this clip, you might want to speed up the clip that's under it as well. So you would just do show clip inspector and also speed that clip up to match the percentage, the same percentage as the clip above it. Otherwise, you're going to have some weird editing gaps and things like that inside of your video. And you just have to change every single clip speed the way that you want it, and then you're good. So those are the 2 ways to speed up your timeline inside of ScreenFlow. If you have any other questions about ScreenFlow, type them in the comments. I'm actually doing a whole series on ScreenFlow and helping you become a better video editor and using all the cool little features and tools inside of this tool because I really love ScreenFlow. It's my favorite video editing software as far as recording, all in one type of thing inside my Mac computer. And if you want to find out more about what I do online, more marketing resources or making money from home resources, check out the pinned comment or in the description below. Make it a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.